To enable and use glide typing in POCO X8 Pro, first of all you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down to additional settings, and then we can click on the languages and input. Look for manage keyboards and click on the Gboard. Inside select glide typing, and then you can activate the option right here. When it's activated, you can then go back and open your keyboard. To use it, first you will need to click and hold on a starting letter for a word that you're about to write down, and then you can slowly move around different letters for that word, just stopping by on the ones that are correct. So for example, we're gonna draw a dog. So let's start with D, then we can go to O, and then finish on G. That way we'll be able to let go, and we just wrote dog using glide typing. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.